Alright guys, we got a 2018 Honda Civic, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to replace the MAF sensor, right? MAF, MAF, massive airflow sensor, right? So there's two different types of sensors. One is MAP, MAP, that will be located somewhere on the vacuum or on the vacuum line, connected to maybe to the intake all the way back there. But this car has a MAP sensor right here. MAF, I'm sorry, the MAF sensor. The part number on this is 37980-5 boy apple 01. All right, numbers below that is 197-500-0070, right? But anyways, to remove this sensor, what we need to do is we need to take off this little guy right here and this little guy right here. Two Phillips head screws, all right, and this connector, right? So pretty much push down on this connector and pull this connector back, all right? This sensor, it checks the temperature of the air and monitors how much air is going into the system, all right? So if you guys have codes for a MAF sensor, this is what we're looking at, all right? So let me go get my Phillips heads and then we'll take this apart, all right? All right guys, I got my driller here, snap-on drill right here. So we're gonna take this Phillips head screw right here. That's one. All right, do not lose it. Let's put it somewhere safe right here, right? Take the second one. All right, let me just loosen it this time. And this little guy comes right out. Let's put it somewhere safe right here. All right, next, we need to take off this sensor, all right? Follow this arrow right here, guys. That's a direction. So if you install the new one, boom, it's got to be facing that way, all right? Because the air travels from here that way, all right? So let's pull this off. It got an O-ring right here, and it got sensors. All right, guys. Had somebody come in, but anyways, this little guy, if you need to clean it, you could clean it with the cleaner. But we should not have to clean this to replace it. Just get a new one. I'm waiting on the new piece. But to put it back in, you can put a little bit of lube on that seal, that O-ring right there, right? Make sure you do not get any dirt and anything in there. So follow the sign again, guys. Same direction, all right? You're gonna take this little guy, the little screw, all right? Just make sure your seal sits in there perfectly, all right, guys? Because if that seal sits a little crooked, you're gonna have a little bit of air leakage, which might not even be picked up by the sensor, or it might be picked up, but don't take that chance. All right, so both of these little guys, don't over tighten these, meaning just don't yank the crap out of it. But anyways, 1 and 2, all right? This is a 2018 Honda Civic, 18, 19, 20, 21, 25, 2020, 50, 60, whatever, guys. If you have the similar one, you're all good to go. Thank you for watching, and do not forget to subscribe, share, and like all of my videos. Bye bye.